Hello guys, it's MTech here. If for some reason you want to change your MySQL port on XAMPP, this video is going to solve your problem. So let's go right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do will be to come here and do some changes. Click on config here. Then you're going to want to change these two ports here, and here. Change it to your preferred port you want to use. Maybe you're running two different MySQL in your system, so you want to have MySQL on a separate one and then have the other one on a separate port. So this is what you do. Change this and you change this. So once that you save, once done you save, then also come here, your config, you add your new port here. That's column new ports currently. So whatever you're using for local host, then your port. Then once done, save. Then it might be asked for to confirm administrator privileges, and you do that. Then next thing is to also check in PHP.ini. I think you might have to do some changes here. We have 330. Let me check if there's any change. Okay, I changed some things here. So I think basically these are the two variables we need to change. Okay, I think 3 or 2. So to do that, you save. So once you're done with that, I think okay, the next thing to do is to locate locate config that's XAMPP control, XAMPP control.config, that's ini, XAMPP control ini. You do this. So edit with your preferred text editor. You change the port also here to this, and then once done, basically I think that will be all. Then you just have to stop your SQL. Stop. That'll be yes. Okay. Stop and close. That's stop. Okay. Obviously your SQL isn't working. MySQL isn't working. Then you come up again, and then you start. So then that will be all. So you might be asked for, so if you want to allow the app to make changes, that's administrator privilege before it starts. So basically this is the solution to this problem. I know most times we always run into issues using the MySQL exam. So I think this actually will give us a whole lot of freedom from that, because that port is most times always used by the system SQL if you have SQL installed most of the time. Then I have another video in case you are running to SQL, running to MySQL on your device, and then they're having issues trying to connect to their specific MySQL. So we can watch the other one. That one goes more in detail into what you need to do to solving this problem. Thanks for watching.